Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to learn about the topic reasoning, which is useful for all the competitive examinations. So in reasoning, the topic is coding and decoding. Let us see what are the types of coding and decoding. So there are total 5 types to learn the coding and decoding. One is letter coding, and second is number coding and mixed coding. Next is chain coding and matrix coding. So to learn before all these 5 types of codings and decoding, you have to know the basic things. So what are the basic things to be known to learn the coding and decoding? Let us see now. Before you watch the video, like our channel, subscribe it and click on the bell icon for notifications. Let us see now. Of them is these are the alphabets we know, that is A to Z. So and this is the order to be remembered, that is A1, B2, C3, D4, and a few sometimes we cannot remember the numbers of the respective alphabets as given here. So I just give you some clues. If you see here, like T20, 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 we know T20 matches, T20, T20, T20 matches. Next, in Telugu there is a film Padaharelu Vayasu, so that is P16. Okay, so G7, H itself, if you observe, in H we can see 8, so H is 8. Okay, it means middlemost, that is 13. So in this way you can remember the values, and this is the order to be remembered: A1, B2, C3, D4. And also you have to remember in a reverse, like Z1, Y2, X3, W4. It means A26, B25, C24, D23, E22. So whenever you are going to code or decode, better you should have an idea of these things. And let us see one more thing to be known. And next, vowels and consonants. We know in the alphabets we have the vowels and consonants. In this, vowels will be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the remaining as is like 6, 7. That is B6, C7, D8, F9, G10, H11, J12, K13. So in this way also you should have an idea that vowels numbered 1 to 5 and the consonants in order like 6 to 26. Okay, let us see one more to be remembered before learning the coding and decoding. Right, so this is one more to be remembered, that how the alphabets will be arranged for coding or decoding. So this is how to remember. First of all, let us see this pair. That is A to Z. So this is nothing that A to Z, B, Y. So let us see that this is boy, and Chennai Express, CX, Chennai Express. To remember, these are the shortcuts to be remembered. Okay, for you, GT, train, Grand Trunk Express, GT, high school, Indian Railways. Okay, in playing cards we can see Jack and Queen, Kukatpalli. Okay, so love, Mangalore, MN. So in this way you can remember A to Z before boy and C to Z. So this is one way of remembering that A to Z boy, BY boy, Chennai Express CX, and GT Express, High School, For You, Indian Railways, Jack and Queen, Kukatpalli, and Love, that is Mangalore. So this one to be remembered, and in another order also they may give, that is another, like here what you did, A to M, and then N itself it continued in this order, right? But if you see this series, this order, that is A N B O C P D Q, so A to M, and again N begins from A itself, so that is A N B O C P D Q E R F S. So if these things you remember, it is easier to learn the coding and decoding. So these are the basic things to be learned and also to be remembered to learn the coding and decoding topic. So in the next classes we will see how to code and decode the things. So before that, learn all these basics, try to remember these basics, so it is easier to understand the class. We will see in the next class. Thank you all.